Apple cider vinegar supplements, an analysis of their health advantages. Apple cider vinegar, ACV, is a vinegar made from fermented apples. It has been used to treat an assortment of ailments, including an upset stomach and high blood sugar, for hundreds of generations. ACV is likewise used as a weight loss aid. ACV contains acetic acid, which has antiviral, anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. This enables ACV to increase your metabolism rate, reduce insulin levels in your body and relieves arthritis symptoms. While some of its purported effects are hyperbolic, analysis on apple cider vinegar's many uses has revealed that many of them are true. Here, we'll look at what apple cider vinegar is and list the various advantages of ACV pills, based on scientific study. What is apple cider vinegar? Apple cider vinegar is a prevalent type of vinegar that's been used as an ingredient in recipes for thousands of years. It was first produced by the Chinese and Egyptians several hundred years before Common Era. ACV has a distinct taste and smell, with many health aids to its credit. ACV is made from the fermentation of apples. First, they press apples to extract their juice. They then put the juice in an airtight container with yeast, which feeds on its sugar content. After about 2 weeks, there's sufficient yeast in the mix for it to become fermented into alcohol. Next, the mixture is then placed in another container with bacteria that helps it ferment further. This process, which is now complete, yields millions of acetic acid bacteria that help the mixture ferment into vinegar. The key ingredient in ACV is acetic acid, which is likewise present in other types of vinegar, like wine and white distilled vinegar. The antibacterial and antioxidant qualities of vinegar are two of the reasons it has been used to beneficial effect in treating a variety of ailments, including skin diseases. ACV is likewise recognized to aid in issues such as diabetes and cholesterol. Apple cider vinegar supplements, an overview of their health advantages. Apple cider vinegar, ACV, is a vinegar produced from fermented apples. It has been used to cure a variety of illnesses, including an upset stomach and high blood sugar, for hundreds of years. ACV is also used as a weight loss aid. ACV contains acetic acid, which has antiviral, anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. This enables ACV to increase your metabolism rate, reduce insulin levels in your body and relieves arthritis symptoms. Why should you take ACV supplement capsules instead of liquid? Supplements of apple cider vinegar are dehydrated or powdered forms of ACV bound into a capsule or tablet. A tablet contains 500 milligrams of ACV, which is equivalent to 2 teaspoons, 10 milliliters, of the fluid. Depending on the manufacturer, different ingredients may be added to these tablets in order to provide digestive and metabolic advantages of ACV supplements to the liquid. What are the benefits of apple cider vinegar supplement capsules? Apart from acetic acids, apple cider vinegar includes other compounds are thought to contribute to its antibacterial and antioxidant properties, including helpful bacteria, yeast, and particular pectin. While some of its purported effects are exaggerated, research on apple cider vinegar's many uses has revealed that many of them are true. Here, we'll look at what apple cider vinegar is and list the various advantages of ACV pills, based on scientific study. Enhances weight loss. Although acetic acid has been found to have little direct impact on weight loss, table vinegar can replace calorie-laden condiments. When you use table vinegar instead of ketchup or mayonnaise, you're bound to reduce your daily intake by thousands of calories. Reduces insulin levels. Apple cider vinegar. Despite the ease with which the liquid may be got, the following factors have motivated its introduction in capsule form and increased popularity. Tooth sensitivity and erosion. When ACV liquid is taken without enough water to dilute its concentration, it causes tooth erosion and increases sensitivity. We've gathered 16 verified health advantages of apple cider vinegar supplement capsules for you. 1. Antioxidant effect. Apple cider vinegar is high in polyphenolic chemicals, which help the body cells resist oxidative stress. Dietary polyphenols such as rosmarinic acid, carnosol and caffeic acid may help fight oxidative stress in the body by destroying free radicals created during exercise. Apple cider vinegar is high in polyphenolic chemicals, which help the body cells resist oxidative stress. Dietary polyphenols such as rosmarinic acid, Carnosol and caffeic acid may help fight oxidative stress in the body by destroying free radicals formed during exercise. Apple cider vinegar is high in polyphenolic chemicals, which help the body cells resist oxidative stress. Dietary polyphenols such as rosmarinic acid, carnosol and caffeic acid may help fight oxidative stress in the body by destroying free radicals formed during exercise. 2. Reduce blood sugar levels. We have found ACV supplements to create significant decreases in blood glucose levels, perhaps because of the existence of acetic acid. A new meta-analysis published in Acta Diabetologica reported that apple cider vinegar supplementation over a 3-week period appeared to lower fasting blood glucose levels, averaging about 1 point. The study noted that the increased insulin sensitivity may be responsible for this effect. Acetic acid can also help reduce hyperglycemia after eating a meal high in carbohydrates by reducing post-meal blood sugar fluctuations. 3. Improve cardiovascular health. Apple cider vinegar has been linked to improved blood lipid profiles in several studies. One study reported significant reductions in total cholesterol, LDL cholesterol, and triglycerides when participants took vinegar daily for 12 weeks. Other research has confirmed these findings with subjects suffering from high cholesterol or coronary heart disease. ACV supplements have been found to create significant decreases in blood glucose levels, perhaps due to acetic acid. A recent meta-analysis published in Acta Diabetologica reported that apple cider vinegar supplementation over a 3-week period appeared to lower fasting blood glucose levels, averaging about 1 point. The study noted that the increased insulin sensitivity may be responsible for this effect. Acetic acid can also help reduce hyperglycemia after eating a meal high in carbohydrates by reducing post-meal blood sugar fluctuations. 4. Antibacterial properties. The antibacterial activity of apple cider vinegar is not yet fully understood. It has observable antimicrobial effects on the cell structure of some harmful bacteria, which explains why it's so effective against earaches and gastric illnesses. In 2018, research revealed that ACV caused bacterial cells such as E. coli and Staphylococcus aureus to break down in the stomach and urinary tract, causing various stomach and urinary tract infections. The researchers also found that ACV boosted the body's immune system, reducing the risk of infection. As a result, ACV capsules may be used as a therapeutic tool for individuals whose natural immunity is weakened. 5. Controlling yeast and other fungal infestations. Apple cider vinegar's antimicrobial capabilities can be enhanced by using it to treat bacterial, viral, and fungal infections. Candida albicans is a fungus that causes yeast infections and oral thrush. Researchers at the University of Arizona have identified a compound of the group known as acetylcholine esterases, which is believed to be involved in cell damage and induction of chronic inflammation. When these enzymes are prevented from working, it disrupts cell integrity and protein expression in fungus cells, which prevents them from producing essential enzymes. In a 2014 study, researchers in Brazil stated that apple cider vinegar could be considered as a possible therapeutic alternative for patients who developed oral candidal infections. 6. Natural laxative. Apple cider vinegar is said to help cure constipation and aid in digestion by some people. The notion is that apple cider vinegar includes a substantial amount of pectin, a soluble dietary fiber, which might be the reason for constipation. Unfortunately, there is no scientific evidence to support this notion. It has been proved to be effective in bacterial cell damage studies, but its efficacy as a home treatment for everything is questionable. An animal study reported in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology found that ACV might aid colonic motility. The research team noted ACV has a laxative effect on rats, most possibly because of acetic acid content or effects of other compounds present in apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is believed by many to be a home remedy for hiccups. Irritation of the nerve that controls the diaphragm caused hiccups, the organ above our lungs, which causes it to spasm and cause us to gasp. It regularly makes us cry out heavily. People with hiccups typically experience them as very hasty, involuntary inhalations, principally when they try not to. Though the dilemma isn't significant or adverse, it's bothersome. Many people believe that drinking some apple cider vinegar diluted in water will help calm their hiccups. There is no scientific evidence to suggest this works, but vinegar might make a person feel full, which could stop them from eating, which could cause them to stop hiccuping. 7. Acid reflux solution. If you have acid reflux disease or GERD, apple cider vinegar may help reduce your symptoms by making heartburn feel less severe. When you take ACV before a meal, the pectin it contains gets into the intestinal tract, where it forms a jelly-like substance that slows down, emptying your stomach. This can reduce heartburn by making you feel full for longer than usual after eating. Less acid is pushed up to your esophagus. 8. May relieve stress. Apple cider vinegar can help you relax and get a good night's sleep. It breaks down proteins into amino acids, such as tryptophan. Tryptophan is a precursor of niacin, which is required for the formation of serotonin, a neurotransmitter. Serotonin has an important role in the treatment of depression and anxiety. Depression can lead to reduced sleep. ACV may help ensure a stress-free, good night's rest. 9. Aids in weight loss. Apple cider vinegar supplement capsules are used as a weight loss aid because of their primary component, acetic acid. ACV has been shown in studies to reduce body fat and obesity when combined with a calorie-restricted diet. In a study done on mice fed with a high-fat diet, vinegar helped to ease the obesity and inflammation caused by such diets. ACV also helps to reduce fat accumulation around the organs and free fatty acid accumulation. The acetic acid in ACV, as well as vinegar, is responsible for these advantages. A clinical trial conducted in 2009 on obese subjects showed that taking 15 milliliters of vinegar, containing 750 grams acetic acid, per day resulted in a significant reduction in body fat mass and fat production. This reduction in body fat goes a long way in protecting the body from other diseases that come along with obesity. Acetic acid can reduce food intake by increasing satiety, which is like how carbohydrates increase hunger. 10. Appetite suppressant. Many individuals take apple cider vinegar for weight loss purposes, although there are several divergent viewpoints on how it works as an appetite suppressant. One reason we might consider it is because of its acidic quality, which may curb eating cravings. ACV's ability to delay stomach emptying can make you feel fuller longer and reduce hunger. There is a lack of compelling evidence to back the use of ACV as an appetite suppressant, therefore it is not advisable to use it only for this purpose. 11. It is effective in controlling blood sugar levels. Apple cider vinegar is believed to decrease blood sugar levels, especially after meals, and improve satiety. We verified this effect when diabetic individuals were studied. During mealtime, 20 milliliters of vinegar reduced blood sugar levels. Vinegar aids in the cell's glucose uptake and starch degradation. Apple cider vinegar is beneficial for people with diabetes because it helps increase the cell's glucose absorption and inhibits starch breakdown. ACV supplements should not be used as a substitute for anti-diabetic medications, but they may help improve blood sugar levels. 12. Reduces your risk of heart disease. The Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry conducted a study on the effects of apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar was found to lower blood cholesterol and triglyceride levels. This helps to minimize the chance of heart disease. 13. Blood pressure can be lowered by eating these foods. Apple cider vinegar can reduce blood pressure by lowering renin levels. Renin is a kidney enzyme that raises blood pressure. It's significant that the activity of acetic acid in the vinegar handles this decrease. ACV's ability to decrease blood pressure through reducing blood glucose and cholesterol levels in the body is an example of an indirect impact. Avoiding salt, sugar, and alcohol will also reduce the strain on the heart to pump blood. One of the most common reasons for elevated blood pressure is higher cholesterol in the bloodstream. 14. Anti-cancer effects that may be potentiated. Otto Heinrich Warburg, a famous German physiologist and medical doctor, and his colleagues believed that one of the key causes of cancer was a high acidity level in the body. As a result, lowering the acidity level may be useful in killing cancer cells. It was believed that apple cider vinegar enhanced blood alkalinity, in contrast to most other vinegars. ACV might lower the incidence of cancer. 15. Soothes sore throat inflammations and coughs. Apple cider vinegar is said to help with a sore throat. It has antibacterial qualities, so it can treat a sore throat caused by germs. Gargling with this water for 20 to 30 seconds can destroy the bacteria in your throat and loosen any phlegm that might irritate. Apple cider vinegar, ACV, supplement capsules are recommended for adults. There are a lot of different brands of apple cider vinegar pills on the market right now, each with its own combination of components. Some are in tablet form, while others come as capsules. The health benefits of apple cider vinegar are dose dependent, which implies that at least 10 to 20 milliliters of ACV per day is required to reap the benefits from it. ACV pills are now available from a variety of manufacturers. Many today are FDA and USDA authorized, assuring the quality and safety of the product. The capsules include other important substances that help to improve their efficacy. The most essential thing to remember is the proportion of ACV in each pill, and to comply with the producer's instructions on dosages. The greatest solution to ensure that you're receiving the greatest product is to avoid purchasing items with any chemical flavors or high sugar content. The last word. Apple cider vinegar has a long history of being recognized for its health advantages. ACV's naturalness and provenance ensure that it will continue to be a regular component in most homes. Although it has been rumored to have a wide range of health advantages, it has shown to aid in weight reduction and blood sugar management. With deciding whether to take the pill or the liquid version, each individual has complete freedom of choice. But knowing that ACV supplements capsules are effective as the liquid will assist you in making your decision.